What is Yantian disruption? Is it worse than Suez Canal crisis? Do I need to be worried about it? Do the panic button needs the pushing? We will talk all about it in this video. Hola, hey, namaste. I'm Sharan and this is Marine Monks. Anything and everything marine. I have a very important and interesting video for all of you today. And I'm very sure that you will definitely like this video. So marine heads, what are you waiting for? Quickly go and hit that like and subscribe button. Approximately 25,500 TEU of cargo is being affected every day ever since the sudden outbreak of COVID-19 was detected in the city surrounding Shenzhen's Yantian port in southern China. This has severely affected the global supply chain. On 21st May 2021, the Chinese government imposed stringent disinfection and quarantine measures in the port ever since the symptoms of COVID-19 were detected in the port workers. Since then, the port is operating with an efficiency of just 30%. The ongoing disruption at the Yantian port is a matter of serious concern as it has already affected 432,000 TEU of cargo till date. Major shipping companies like COSCO, Maersk, MSC have already issued warning notices to their customers conveying that their shipments would be reaching late than expected. Around 30 to 40 container ships can be found anchored in the open waters, waiting for a chance to unload their cargoes at the Yantian port. Chinese authorities are now suggesting the shipping companies to reroute their vessels to other South China ports like Nansha, Shekou and Hong Kong. The Yantian port is a very important Chinese port. It handles nearly one-third of Guangdong's foreign trade and approximately one-fourth of China's trade with the United States. The crisis at the Yantian port due to sudden COVID-19 outbreak is now pushing the already soaring freight rates around the world. In a report by Zen Cargo, they state that transporting a 40-foot container from Shanghai, China to Rotterdam, Netherlands now costs around $10,522. Following the path of ONE, CMA CGM2 is now adding a reefer surcharge for every reefer bound to Yantian, China. And that, my dear friends, is a thing to worry about. The seriousness of the issue at hand can be understood by realizing that the number of boxes unable to move from South China due to this sudden COVID-19 outbreak has already surpassed the number of boxes held up in March when the 20,388 TEU Ever Given blocked the Suez Canal in Egypt. In March, the huge container ship Ever Given ran aground in the Suez Canal. This had impacted approximately a daily flow of 55,000 TEU. But this only lasted for 6 days. Sadly, the ongoing disruptions figures are way scarier than this. Looking ahead, the ongoing crisis is expected to last for another 10 to 14 days. Let us all hope and pray that this matter resolves as soon as possible. That's all for today. I'll see you marine heads very soon with another interesting video. Comment and tell us what will you like to see a video on next. The comment we like the most will get his name featured on the video made on his suggestion. Don't forget to check out marinemonks.com and gift yourself with a higher MQ. A lot of interesting stuff is waiting for you. So like, share, comment. Stay home, stay safe.